When we use WPS spreadsheet at work, if we want to quickly copy the formatting of a cell to another cell, we can use the Format Painter function in WPS spreadsheet. Take this table as an example. We now want to copy and paste the formatting of cell A1 to cell D1. Select cell A1, click the Home tab first, and then click the Format Painter button. Now select cell D1. There you can copy and paste the formatting of cell A1 to cell D1. But how can we use Format Painter to copy and paste the formatting to multiple cells? Select cell A1. First double-click the Format Painter button to lock the Format Painter function, and then select the cell that has the formatting you want to copy. In this way, we can copy and paste the formatting of cell A1 to multiple cells. Click the Format Painter again to stop formatting. In addition, we can also use the Format Painter to interlace the color you filled. Take this table as an example. First, set the color of the A1-C2 cell area. Select the A1-C2 cell area, then double-click the Format Painter, and then select the other cell areas. In this way, we can now use the Format Painter to interlace the color you filled. By using the Format Painter and Find function, we can also quickly copy and paste the specified cell formatting into cells with the same content. If we want to fill all WPS Academy cells in the table with the same color formatting as the A1 cell WPS Academy, we first need to select cell A1 and double-click the Format Painter. Then use the shortcut key Ctrl F, enter WPS Academy in the pop-up search dialog box, and click to find all. Now use Ctrl A. We can quickly copy and paste the formatting of cell A1 into the cell being found here. What a practical function! Did you get it?